Queenstown, Maryland, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:44 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 11 nautical miles northwest of Susquehanna Flats to Riviera Beach, moving northeast at 25 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Waterspouts can develop suddenly and can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous waves. Seek safe harbor immediately. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally high waves and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following
until the storm passes, report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The marine forecast